again, friends. So, this is an interesting topic for discussion. What is it that makes us the people that we are? Such as, what makes us choose our sexuality, or is it already determined at birth? What makes us decide whether or not we are racist or not racist? As what makes us decide to like or dislike or strongly hate or strongly like a certain group of people. What makes us decide to defend or not defend those group of people. What makes us decide who to be friends with and not friends with, or to stop being friends with people that we are friends with, or make new friends. What makes us decide if we want to further our learning and education on something is what we decide to do based on nature or nurture. This is an ongoing debate that always seems to bring out people's passions. I know that I've had lots of discussions in the past with people when I was a teenager and as I've grown up on these various topics and had their opinions expressed to me both privately and publicly, and it's just something that I think is something that will always be an interesting topic to discuss. Personally, I don't feel like I'm racist or that I have any inbred like bad feelings towards a group of people. I can get a bad feeling once I've got to know somebody about what they're like. It's not easy. Sometimes you find out something about somebody that surprises you and shocks you and makes you reevaluate your friendship with that person, or maybe reevaluate how you feel about certain authority figures if you've ever had any dealings with certain kinds of authorities like local authorities or social services, things like that. So what is it that determines the kind of people that we are and the kind of people that other people are? Is it nature or is it nurture? Like, leave your comments in the comments section. Let me know what you think. If you like this kind of video, please hit the thumbs up button, share it on social media such as Facebook, Twitter. I don't know if you can share it on Instagram and places like that, but if you can, please do so, and I will see you again soon. Please check out my other videos. A recent one that I've just done was some suggested video topics, what I've had suggested by other people, so thank you to Chris and to Anne and to anybody else that may have given suggestions in the past, and I will see you all again soon. Goodbye.